Did you know how Bluestone PIM can enable composable commerce and make your business more agile? Take a quick tour and see for yourself. Let's go through the personalized dashboard. Later, we're going to work with the products in the product grid, and then publish the products to your internal or customer-facing channels. The Bluestone PIM dashboard is entirely customizable. You can easily create a specific dashboard view for you and your teammates just by clicking the button in the upper right corner. Then, edit your view by simply dragging and dropping the widgets you're interested in. You can also easily add new widgets directly to the dashboard. Let's check up on your products. To organize your products neatly and quickly jump into a particular item, use the intuitive category tree and narrow it down. You can also use dedicated filters. In this example, we're going to edit and publish some sneakers. Let's select it. You can go through all information related to the product, for example, go to the DAM section and check the assets. Bluestone PIM offers a completeness score and validation feature based on your custom requirements. With Bluestone PIM, you can reach your buyers wherever they are and deliver a consistent customer experience across all your touchpoints. Use the product relations section to engage your customers with cross-selling, upselling, or even product replacement. With Bluestone PIM, it is really easy. To add any product relation, just choose the type of relation and select any product you want. Implementing multiple product-to-product relations will help boosting your e-commerce revenue. Everything in Bluestone PIM is event-driven. You can manually change the status or product information directly in the system and edit any missing data anytime. For example, let's add a new attribute to describe our sneakers even better. As the last step, let's jump to the Language tab. Let's translate the product description into German to add more context to the system. You can easily add or edit any language you want. Find Languages tab in Settings and click the button. Time to publish. Publishing products with Bluestone PIM is a breeze. We'll bulk edit all the products from your list and switch their status to Publish. And just like that, your products are live on all the customer-facing channels you need. By working with one reliable source of truth, you enjoy a faster time to market, making the whole process smooth and efficient. Let's get your products out there and shining in no time.